Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called oceanstake. And indeed it is very new because it will launch in 5 hours and 24 minutes. It says double your savings with up to 5% daily rewards, and it's gonna be on the Binance Smart Chain. And I can tell you upfront, it's pretty easy to understand. Okay, daily rewards. Every day you will receive 1% of the amount that you have staked. Just to tell you, you stake BNB, okay? Maximum 200%. It means all you can get, the maximum profit you can make is you can double your investment, okay? Then there will be a daily hold bonus. If you don't withdraw rewards, your reward rate will increase by 0.1% daily, maximum 2%. Contract balance bonus. Contract checks current balance and pays extra 0.1% every 1000 BNB on contract, okay? It's fully decentralized and 100% open source. You can see the contract here on the BSC scan. Then it has been audited Ethos and Haze Crypto, okay guys? How to stake? It is pretty easy. You connect your wallet, and of course you should have BNB in your wallet first, because you need some BNB that you can stake BNB. Makes sense, okay? You connect the wallet, then you stake your BNB on the dashboard. Go to stake section. I can actually show you how it looks like. You connect your wallet, then you select your amount. I don't know, whatever, let's say 1 BNB or 50 BNB. You can choose whatever you like, and then you go to stake, and that's actually it. To get referral rewards, you have to stake at least 0.5 BNB, guys, okay? So withdraw your referral rewards, click withdraw button and referrals on referral section of dashboard and confirm. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, yeah. And let me explain you why it says up to 5% daily, okay guys? So to maximize your daily rewards, we suggest you not to withdraw your rewards. Withdraw will reset your daily hold bonus. The hold bonus rate will increase by 0.1% daily become 2% on the 20th day. 1% basic rewards, 2% hold bonus, and 2% contract bonus. That means you can earn up to 5% daily, which is pretty cool, yeah? Compound on earn term 10% extra for increased sustainability. The system maximum pays out the double of your staked principal. If you want to earn more, you can stake more, but click the compound button on the dashboard. There's also a referral program, level 1, 4%, level 2, 2%, level 3, 1, level 4, 1%. So, as you can see here. So guys, that's actually this project. Pretty easy to understand, yeah? And it's new. And usually if you get in those projects early, it's usually good. But as always guys, no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects. I'm just here to show you the opportunities, and yeah, you make your own decision after this, okay guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.